Hi, this is Ben with Pierre driving school, covering question again. The question for today, the topic, can I take my time when I'm doing my DMV driver's test, doing my road test? Okay, we're making a left turn at this traffic light here. Traffic is moving crazy. Here we're gonna pull in the middle. I'm gonna answer this question in a bit. Let me clear some traffic first. Okay, good. Mirror left, shoulder left. Can I take my time when I'm taking my DMV driver's test, my road exam? Okay, the answer to this first, yes, you can take your time in certain way. Let me explain. When you're maneuvering, when you're making your steps, okay, when you're maneuvering in terms of when you doing your 3-point turn, parallel parking, getting set up to take your road test, yes, you can take your time. It's not an issue. Instructor has no problem with that, right? Has no problem with that. The problem is when you're driving, you cannot be taking your time when you're driving. Why is that? If the traffic is moving at a decent pace and you're supposed to be doing 25 miles per hour and you're doing 10, 15 miles per hour, you're saying that you're taking your time, that will not be good. They will fail you the test because that's impeding the traffic flow. You see what I'm saying? Let's say that when you're making your parallel parking, you take too long to get set up. What do I mean by that? You finish lining up and do everything that you have to do. You still take forever. Down here, your left, shoulder left, we're going into traffic. Gonna signal back. You take forever to start doing your step, then it's a problem because you cannot be taking too long doing what you're supposed to do in terms of the driving and doing the parallel parking, the K-turn. The reason I'm saying this, because I've seen students, while they're making those steps, they're thinking that they have the whole time in the world to do those steps as they're doing lesson with us. That's fine because you're learning. But when you're doing the DMV practice test, you cannot be taking your time, especially when you are driving. They will not rush you to set up. No. They will not rush you to pull into traffic. No. They're not gonna rush you to get out of the parking spot. However, when you are driving in traffic, you have to move with the pace. When you're doing your 3-point turn, they're not gonna wash you. But as you start driving on those turns, making those turns, you have to move decent enough so you don't be holding back the traffic, dragging the traffic. Then it'll be a problem, all right? So no rush, you can take your time to do all your maneuvers, all your steps while you're taking your road test. But when driving, you have to move along with the pace, all right? Speed limit, whatever the speed limit are, you do the speed limit, you know? Whatever you have to do, when the traffic is moving, if it's moving too slow, you follow along with the traffic moving fast, you follow along with the traffic, but you cannot be moving too slow, especially when driving. That's, as obviously, it's considered impeding the traffic flow anyway. So if you do that, you're gonna be in problem, all right? Let me know, guys, if I answered this question long enough for you, or if there's any confusion, put in the comment below as I can bring clarity if you guys want me to. But here at Pierre Driving School, that's what we do. Anything driving, those are the things that we address. If you personally want me to cover something in particular, put in the comment below, as that's where most of our video topic coming from in this channel, all right? If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do that by hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification ring. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. But as you're driving school here with everything driving, let's pull in here. Me one left, shoulder left. We're gonna pull in right over here. See how much I'm looking as if we were, because it's all about observing, okay? Picking up a student here. Now, while we're here, I'm too close here. I'm gonna do a little reversing, put the car in reverse, make sure I'm in the right gear, verify my mirror here, verify the shoulder, and going straight behind me. As I'm going straight, I can look straight behind me, make sure I'm in the gear, and I'm going back straight, okay? Good. Yes, folks. Yes, you can drive. It's okay. No rush on your driving, however, but you cannot be too slow when you driving along with traffic. That will consider impeding the traffic flow. That will consider unable to poor judgment in traffic. That will consider unable to properly do a K-turn, 3-point turn. What do I mean? You're pulling over to do your 3-point turn you need to get set up to do your 3%. You cannot pull over, take 10,000 times, whatever the case may be, to start going doing your 3%, taking that time is not in your time is in your favor. No, time is not in your favor. It is no wash, however. It is no wash, however. But remember, they have other road tests that they're conducting, and the test is 10 minutes. If the test is 10 minutes or less, what's that telling us? Although they're not washing you, but you know there's the time bracket we have to meet here while we're doing the road test. If that makes sense. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. We do have videos exactly let you know what the DMV examiner wants you to expect of you to do. If you want to watch this video as well, that can give you more understanding of things there are for you to do while you're doing your road test, and give you a head of those people who've never been watching these videos. Because remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you and I to drive to pass the test. The minute that you and I understanding that is how they want us to drive to pass the test, it changes everything. This was a short one today. We wanted to make sure that we address this question. Once again, this has been here with Pierre Driving School. Anything driving related you want me to cover, put in the comment below. Like, share, subscribe, and share this video to anybody that you know that may benefit from this video. Because showing somebody how to showing somebody a way how to drive here in the US is one of the greatest gifts you can give them, because driving can enhance a way of a person live. It may not be changing your life in terms of that's what you need to get a job, but many people here in the US, I'm a living proof today, certain job that you're doing, it requires for you to have a driver's license. All right, folks, I think there you have it. It was a straight, nice, and easy question to answer. We're here to pick up a student. If you are in the New York area, you want Pierre Paul Driving School to help with your endeavor, check our website, pierrepauldriving.com. If you have a road test coming up, can you share with me where will the road test be? If you've done your road test already, where did you do your road test? If you think you're ready to take a road test, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive. We do mock tests to see at what level of passing your road test you are. Once you do that test with us, we definitely give you a fully a true and honest answer. What are the things that for you to be working out to be good? And if you're good too, we let you know that you're good for your road test with no issue. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. This has been Pierre.